Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add subtitles in Clipchamp. Steps 1. Open Clipchamp. Go to Clipchamp and sign in or create an account if you don't have one. Create a new project or open an existing one. 2. Upload your video. Click on the Create a Video button. Upload your video file by dragging it into the media library or using the Upload Media button. 3. Add your video to the timeline. Drag your video from the media library to the timeline at the bottom. 4. Add subtitles manually. Go to the text section in the left toolbar. Click Add Text and select a text style you prefer or use a subtitle template. Drag the text box to your timeline and adjust the timing to match your speech or desired subtitle duration. 5. Enter the subtitle text. Double-click the text box in the preview window and type your subtitle text. Adjust the font, size, and color as needed. 6. Synchronize subtitles with video. Move the text boxes on the timeline to match the audio cues where you want the subtitles to appear. You can split, extend, or shorten text duration by adjusting the length of the text clip on the timeline. 7. Auto-generate subtitles, premium feature. If you have a Clipchamp premium account, you can use the auto-captioning feature. Go to the Captions tab on the left. Click on Auto Caption, which will automatically generate subtitles for your video. Review and adjust the captions as needed. 8. Export the video. Once you're happy with your subtitles, click the Export button in the top right corner to save and download your video with subtitles. And that is everything you need to know about how to add subtitles in Clipchamp. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.